Hello people! Welcome back to our channel! It's H-O-U-R, our channel! So it's me, your girl, Mela, back with another video! So for today's look, we'll be doing Kiki of Kiki's Delivery Service. But with a twist, of course, kasi naglagay tayo dito ng mga clouds. So if you want to learn this makeup or this look, you better stay tuned. Starting off with our kilay, we'll be using, of course, Happy Souls Cosmetics dark brown eyebrow pomade using this brush. But that's not our final kilay. We'll be fixing that using our concealer and this brush. Kapal. So there are really days na kailangan nating parang newbie na paulit-ulit na nagpa-practice sa pagkikilay. So this is one of those days. But no worries, you can always fix that using our concealer. Ayan, so natapos na natin ang ating kilay, natapos na nating linisin, and then we also use Stretch X para mas on fleek ang look. And as you may all notice na napakalayo ng damit ni Kiki sa Kiki's Delivery Service yung suot natin. But I guess this still works kasi we still have that bow and that blue thing sa kanyang damit. And now let's move on to our eyeshadows. For our eyeshadow, we'll be using Beauty Glaze Make Me Gorgeous. Disclaimer, this or all the products na kami-mention natin dito sa ating video isn't sponsored. So, we'll be starting off with our base color sa nude color muna. And then, we'll use this red. So, also, kung gusto nyo ng parang meron mga dark dito sa eyeshadow, we can add this black eyeshadow. Ginamit natin yung red since, you know, we have a red bow here para matchy-matchy. Let's now start. And we'll be using this brush. Now we'll be using the darker shade ng red with a different brush, this one. Let's move on to the final darkest shade ng red natin. Just this one and this one. Mix natin together. And everything, we'll be using this brush. And last but not the least, we'll add a little touch of black dito sa pinakadulong part. Then, Sassy Ladies eyeliner. We'll be adding our falsies. Moving on with our contour with this brush. Para mas kita yung ating contour or nose line, we'll be using BB creams. I mean Maybelline's BB stick. And then, use your sponge. And for our cheeks, we'll be using this brush. let's bake using this loose powder. We'll just use this brush. Now for our favorite cheek tint, we'll be using BOK's Creamy All Over Paint Filling Peachy. And with this brush, we'll blend our blush. Now, let's blend everything. But wait, there's more. Since witch si Kiki and she go fly everywhere with her broomstick, add tayo dito ng mga clouds. And to make those clouds, we'll be using, of course, our favorite eyeliner. Now let's fill in these clouds with this white face paint. This brush. Now, para mas mag-intensify yung white color or white shade dito sa ating clouds, gumamit tayo ng parang pinaka-primer. At yung pinaka-primer na yan is this white face paint. Now, we'll be using this Snowy Primaries paint palette and we'll use the color white. And of course, we'll use the same brush. Linisin nyo lang using a tissue, paper, or kung gusto nyo, hugasan nyo. But it's okay if tissue lang. Again, if comfortable kayo na mas gamitin yung wider brush or bigger brushes, you are very much welcome to do so. But ito ang gusto kong gamitin, so I'll use this one. Or if you don't have white face paint, you can use loosing powder or white eyeshadow. Yan. So, pinapatungan natin ng loosing powder kasi para mas mag-white. And then, hindi na natin siya iba-brush off. Para naman maibalik natin yung lines, we can always re-outline using our eyeliner. Retouch. There, so instead of using black or brown freckles, we'll use white freckles. Yan, nilagyan lang natin ng white yung ilalim ng mata natin para mas magmukhang anime. And if ever na malagyan ng white eyeliner yung falsies, you can fix it with your mascara. Then let's go to our lips. For our lips, we'll be using this lip liner with this shade. And we'll be using, since red, para machi-machi, we'll be using Sassy Lady's long-lasting mini liquid set. So, included siya sa Sassy Lady's mini liquid set. And we'll be using this shade number 23. So, of course, if may lampas, you can use tissue, paper, or concealer. Second to the last finishing touch, we'll use Sassy Lady's Liquid Glow Highlighter. And seal it with a Peel Case Skin Hydrating Ultra Fine Mist. What do you think of this look? Habeba or wale? Just comment it down below. So if you like this video, don't you dare forget on clicking that like button, subscribe, and notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga new uploads. So once again, it's me, your girl, Mela, signing off. Thank you. Bye. Stay safe.